Just give me 60 seconds before you move on. That's all I ask. Ready? Go. I'm Brian Amrine with Value Driven Analytics, here with something you can't afford to miss. This isn't just any ebook. This is the ultimate guide to data analytics transformation, and it's about to change the way you approach data analytics. Many businesses are using an hourglass for analytics when a stopwatch is within reach. But with this guide, you can take the hours that you spend manually updating static reporting and turn it into interactive, automated dashboards. This is about giving your analytics team the time to finally pursue proactive, advanced analytics projects, the kind that truly move the business forward. We've laid out a 7-step process in this guide, a process that's proven to elevate data analytics from basic to extraordinary. And guess what? It's yours for free. Time's almost up. Don't let outdated data analytics and reporting processes hold your firm back. Download the guide now for a smarter, data-driven future.